guys, welcome back to Harbour's Bubble. Like I said, I would do a part 2, so I'm just about to do a part 2. So I'll show you all the fidgets that I've done already. So watch part 1 and then part 2, because you don't want to spoil it. Okay, so this is a puppet popsicle that I showed you, and this squishy. I do have another one of those, but it's really jumbo. But I can't find it. And then the yellow squishy. Oh my gosh, so good. Like I said, watch it in the other video. And then this dimple. And rainbow snapper. Okay, so let's do another one now. Yeah. Oh, I think I'm in the squishy drawer. Alright. I got one. Right, so it's this squishy, which I think is the pineapple one with the yellow rubbies. Oh my gosh, I'm right again. Like, this is so cool because I don't really have that many doubles, too much, but I do have some. Like, I have these two. These two, they're like the same, so I might get them like wrong. And like, got 2 monkey noodles, and I have to guess the colour. So it's like a guessing colour as well. And I have 2 rainbow poppets as well. Squishies, I have 3 colours of glitter balls. That's in one of my videos. And then some of my new fidgets. And I put them together, so like, oh yeah. And I can show you like all the drawers. So these are like all the drawers. So you got this one, and then this one, squishies, and then so yeah, I can't really do it too good, but I will show you soon. Okay, so those are all the ones that I've done so far. Right, I'm on my top one. Oh, oh no, I'm in my squishy drawers. Oh, this is definitely my pink cat Nido. Like, that's so obvious, because, like, I know the feel of my fidgets, so that's probably why I'm getting them all right. Okay, do it again. This top drawer is very light, so I know that it's on my fidgets. Okay, so this is the black and white and blue and white. What's the name? I can't remember what the name is. Wacky Tracks, yeah. I got it right as well. I like taking them apart like this, and then like I split them into half. Oh. Very weird. Never mind. Okay. So So I'm just about to put both of them together. So like this. And then I'll put them back in the drawer because that is pretty obvious. And now I won't know what colour is which. So I'm just going to put them back, shuffle my drawer up. There we go. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, here's my bottom drawer. Right, I've got one of my monkey noodles. I just have a feeling that it's like the orange one. OMG, I got it right. I didn't know that it was the orange monkey noodle, but I just got it right. So that's really, really cool. I was about to say pink, but then I accidentally said orange, but okay, so yes, that was good. Now we're going to do probably about 2 or 3 more, and then that's it for the day, really. Okay? Right, I'm choosing another one. Right, up on my top drawer it is. Oh, I got one of my Wacky Tracks. I think it's can you see it, guys? I don't know if you can, really. I think it's a black. How? Right, this can't be happening. I need to at least get 1 wrong. trying again. Okay, right, I'm at the top one again now. Right, I'm choosing this one. Now I think it is the black one. What? Like, oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Look, I've literally got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 correct. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, you have to do this video because that tests your brain if you know your fidgets. Like, if you have fidgets, like, and you do this with your eyes closed, that's cool because then you know if you get them right. So, yeah, just one sec. So, yeah, it's a really good, like, video to do. So, that was my first. Now I've got 2 more to do. I'll go for the bottom as well now. Sorry if it's too noisy. Oh, I was just playing with this one. It's my puzzle rainbow ball. Yay! I do know all my fidgets, really. Just by it. Right. One more, and then that's it. Right. Comment down below what type of fidget do you think I'm going to get this time? Right. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put that comment in down below and send it right now. Let's go. Right, for the final one. Poppet bag, I think. Yeah, it's my poppet bag. Here we go. Yay, it's my rainbow poppet bag. I love it. Oh, this is a poppet skirt as well that I took off my fidget doll. I have like, you know, when you get like fidget dolls, I got one, but I took the skirt off, so it's like this rolly bit, and then pop it on the skirt. But I took the poppet off, so that goes in the poppet bit. So yeah, that's all I've done. I'm gonna give you a quick RSMA. I think that's how you say it, or just like let you listen to my fidgets now. So yeah, those are the ones that I'm going to do for now. So yeah, see you soon, guys.